kakhulu ngisebenza ngamathuna. I deal with graveyard altars. A lot of people do not understand ukuthi amathuna asebenza kanjani, and so instead of giving umuntu umuthi ngesandla ukuthi do 1 2 3, then isangoma sisothatha umhlabathi wasemathuneni and then get mhlambe iskipa. Normally they use a t-shirt or an under or a face lap, a towel. Then they cut it, mix it nomhlabathi wasemathuneni, right? And I'm now talking about graveyard altars. So they mix it, then what they do, uzothatha yonke into ayihlanganisa, then ayisebenzise umuthi to create what tokoloshi, right? And that tokoloshi, here it is. Now you name it, right? We pick gama, and then you put each and every person ongafuna ukuthi aphumelele, right? Then you go and take it and put it back emathuneni. There are so many altars emathuneni. When you go to funeral, you must check. You'll find that most of amathuna lawa are abandoned, even the ones that are not covered, whatever. They have a lot of altars. That's where I come in.